Well, consider that determinism is true. What else is going to be true? What are the consequences of determinism? If determinism is true, what else is also going to be true? As critical thinkers, we always consider the consequences of our conclusion being true. Well, for one thing, determinism says everything we do is caused by the past and the laws of nature, which means we have no control over our actions, which means we don't have free will. If determinism is true, we cannot also have free will. This is called incompatibilism. Incompatibilism says determinism and free will cannot both be true. Okay? Incompatibilism in and of itself doesn't take a stand on which one's going to be true. Incompatibilism is just the claim that if one of these is true, the other cannot be. If determinism is true, there cannot be free will. If we have free will, determinism has to be false. Does that make sense? Likewise, if determinism is true, we can't be held morally responsible for our actions. Okay, we cannot be held morally responsible for our actions. If we have no control over our actions, we can't be held morally responsible. Responsibility requires control. And so an objection to determinism is we should never put anyone in jail if determinism is true. Oh, determinism is true, we have to open up the jails and let everybody out. But there is a response. Okay, this seems like a pretty rough objection, right? We don't want to let everybody else, we don't want to let everybody out of jail. So we need to, we must conclude determinism is false, some people would say. The determinist has a completely reasonable response to the objection. And that is, we're determined to put them in jail. Okay? The indeterminist says, oh, if determinism is true, we can't put anybody in jail. We have to let everybody out. And the determinist simply responds, no, we are determined to put them in jail. Determinism is a tricky kind of theory because just about anything you do to show that it's false, determinism can use as evidence that it's true. No, determinism is not true because I freely decided to wear this shirt today. No, you were determined to believe that you freely decided to wear that shirt today. You see the problem. We're not supposed to put anybody in jail, but we're determined to, so we're going to. Some of you may believe that these consequences are unsavory. Some of you may not see a problem with them, and you like determinism. That's okay.